This isn't something that we're just dealing with for a couple of days. Lisa Hidalgo joins us now. Sadly, the forecast isn't showing any relief in the near future.
Not really. I mean, over the next few days, it's going to be a lot like what we saw yesterday, the day before that, the day before that. We're talking 60s early in the morning, but then look at how fast it warms up. We get to near 90 degrees by noon, mid to upper 90s for highs, and that's just right here in Denver. You get out on the western slope, it is just as hot, and the winds there are picking up to about 30 miles per hour. So obviously an extremely dangerous situation for firefighters out west. The record high today is 99. We are going to get really close to that today with the high of about 97. We're going to stay in the 90s through Saturday. If we hit 90s for the next 3 days, which it looks like we will, that's going to put us on the list tied for sixth as far as the most 90-degree days ever seen in a season. Could see our first triple-digit day today or tomorrow. We'll have to watch for that, but at this point, calling for upper 90s. 65 in Denver right now. Winds are out of the southwest at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. And you're going to find mainly upper 50s to low 60s, depending on the neighborhood. Golden right now, 60. Highlands Ranch, 62. And out at the airport, 65. The risk of any severe weather today, again, very slim. Yesterday, we picked up a gusty thunderstorm or two. Similar scenario, but that marginal risk of severe weather just clips the eastern plains. 60s this morning. Take a look at, again, the warm-up. By 9:30, we'll be in the mid to upper 70s. By 12 to 1, we're going to be in the low 90s and then hitting highs right around 95 to near 100 between 4 and 5 o'clock. Winds will be at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, so you've got some breezy conditions, and it is warm out west. 80s in the mountains, 90s, and again near 100 close to Grand Junction. 60s again Friday morning, similar scenario tomorrow afternoon. We'll get a few more building clouds late in the day on Friday. Very slight chance again of seeing an isolated gusty thunderstorm. When it's just this hot and dry, you just don't get much in the way of any wet weather. Yesterday we saw some virgo where you get that rain that evaporates before it hits the ground. That's pretty much it when it comes to moisture. Saturday, 95. There will be a better chance for a few storms, hopefully a little bit of rain and a cool down. Temperatures will be a good 10 degrees cooler both Sunday and Monday, but we're not done with the 90s yet. By Jason, the middle of next week, right back in the low to mid 90s on Wednesday.